Today, we're diving into the features of the Coleman Fold N Go 2-burner propane camping stove, your ultimate companion for outdoor cooking adventures. This portable folding camp stove is designed for convenience and performance, boasting 2 adjustable burners that deliver a combined 20,000 BTUs of cooking power. Whether you're at a campsite, picnic, or tailgate, this stove accommodates 2 pans up to 10 inches each, ensuring you can whip up a feast in no time. Thanks to its pressure control technology, you get consistent heat even in varying outdoor conditions, and with the matchless InstaStart ignition, lighting the stove is as easy as pushing a button. Operating for over an hour with both burners on high using a 16.4-ounce propane cylinder, this stove is built for extended use. Plus, it folds up small for effortless transport, making it perfect for any adventure. So, gear up for your next outing with the Coleman Fold N Go, and cook like a pro wherever you go. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.